Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code, on Linux Mint 22.2. Open the default browser that comes with Linux Mint, that is Firefox. Then go to code.visualstudio.com. Then click on download or download for Linux.debian package. Both are same. Click on download, then select this .debian package for the Linux Mint. Wait a moment, download will be started. See here, its size is about 108 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this Debian package. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download completed. Now open terminal, cd downloads ls. See here, we have the Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i code. Then press the tab to autofill enter Debian package name. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Add Microsoft apt repository for Visual Studio Code. Select S by using left and right arrows from your keyboard. Hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now go to all applications, then search for Visual Studio. See here we have the Visual Studio Code. Click on it to open. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. Or close it. On the terminal, just type code and hit enter. See, we got the Visual Studio Code application. Okay. So we have successfully installed ls. This file is not recorded anymore. So rm new code, press the tab to autofill entire file name. We have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Visual Studio Code latest version on Linux Mint 22.2. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.